Hey y'all, Rochelle here, your delightful crafter. I have a my favorite things haul to share with you guys. I don't know if you've noticed, but there's a little more space on my desk. I am working on getting this like really thinned out. A lot of y'all know like it kind of encroached like over to here. I still have a lot of work to do on the sides, but I mean, it looks really good. But I hope to get it finished this weekend. And yeah, so that's what I was doing this weekend. And this desk was a lot of work because y'all know I love stuff. And I'm trying to figure out the best way to keep a lot of the cute things I want up here, but not so many cute things that I don't have room to craft cute things. So anywho, that is what is going on there. I wasn't expecting an order in today, but it came in, so I'm going to share. And then there are going to be quite a few tonic hauls coming up later this week. So be on the lookout for those. I'm going to start this out with just a few things I got off of Amazon, and then we'll dive into the MFT. First, if you are new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stick around a spell. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Ding that bell next door if you want to get notifications of my future videos. Thumbs up, likes, always appreciated. And any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Yes, my nails were growing out, and then this one ripped, so I had to cut them all down again. I'm kind of bummed. I'm trying to get them to grow out so I can paint them, but anywho. So, y'all know we have a house full of furries, and these are the combs that I swear by, because we have Persians and Himalayans in this house, and anybody else who has them, or Maine Coons, or any long-furred furry knows what a nightmare and battle matted hair is. And I swear by these types of combs. These are the best. My daughter kept buying all these expensive brushes, and I was like, no, you need a comb. And she's like, well, he won't sit there. Well, first off, you got to get them used to combing them every single day. Even if they walk by, just take the comb out and take it across their coat. But I found these on Amazon. Really great deal. I think I got two for like $8, and these normally sell for in Petco, these sell for like $10 a piece, and I think they're worth every penny, but that's my opinion. So I bought 2 sets so I can give my daughter one and she can quit taking mine, and then I can have like 2 downstairs, 2 upstairs, instead of going, hey, does anybody know where the comb is at? A lot of y'all know the pain. Y'all know what I'm talking about, who's got furries. So I got those. I know, not crafty fun stuff. But you know what? Actually, you could get these types of combs and dedicate it to your craft room for making bows. Ha. Didn't think about that, did you? So yeah, you can use these to make cute little bows instead of going and buying the expensive Bodabra. Anywho, there's that. Then I've been on a lovey-dovey movie kind of mood, so they recommended this, and so I bought this, The Best of Me. I've not seen it. So if you've seen it and you're yelling at me, you tell me down in the comments. It looked really good. The reviews look really good, so I got it. And then, y'all know I love pens, and I love Pentel. And I needed some colorful pens for work, for the coding that I do. And, of course, they're not just going to open easy, are they? Because that would be too easy. And I have so many pens at work, but I wasn't really... Oh, look how cute. They even have the little red balls that don't want to all come off at once. Let's see. super smooth like Pentel usually is. I love the RSVP line, but I've never gotten these super RTs, so I don't know what that's supposed to mean, but I do prefer fine point over medium point. Sick it, Karma. Get it. So, ordered these yesterday. They arrived today, so can't wait to use these at work this week. So we're just going to throw this over into the trash can. Trash. Okay. On to what we're here for. Oops. MFT. Look at that. This box contains a whole lot of happy. Open quick and get crafty. So there's no stamps in here. And actually it's more, I guess, utilitarian stuff. A lot of y'all know I got the cat and plant stamp set, or house cats, you know, that cat and plants kit that they had. And I wasn't paying attention and didn't order the dies to go with these cute kitties. So we're just going to pull this out. It looks like there's a lot. There's really not as much as it looks. I think I'm going to keep this box for shipping. Okay. Y'all know, I love tissue paper, but I can't really recycle MFT paper. I thought about it. Oh, cover that up. I recycle a lot of stuff, but not MFT. We know that I have sworn off yellow jelly beans. This one looks like it's not as questionable, but after the last yellow one I had, I'm not touching it. So let's get to, here it is. So I ordered the dies so that all of these cute little kitties can be cut out, including this one in the hanging pot. And that one even includes, when you cut it out, it even cuts around the string. And I really liked that detail. There's even one for the big potted plant and the fishies. So this was in a different order, just so y'all know. If you're new to my channel or didn't catch that last one. So there's that. I decided that I wanted to try. So some people have asked, do I have one over here right now? Yeah, because I redid this little thingy. This is what I normally use to clean my stamps. This is the refill bottle. And this is the Close to My Heart Spritz refill. I've used this for years and years. Absolutely love it. It's fantastic. And I have another full bottle, but I've heard really good things about this Ultra Clean by MFT, so I thought I would give it a try. It comes in this little bottle. Sadly, it's not. I would think it would be full to the max, but it's not. And I'm going to open it up and sniff it. Honestly, it smells like Windex. But you can, and some people are going to, hiss at me, you can actually use Windex to clean your stamps if you're desperate. I just, when I first started, you get just a little spray bottle like this from like the Dollar Tree. Put some Windex and some water in it, and and it doesn't hurt your stamps. It hasn't hurt any of mine, and I've done that. I did that for quite a few years before I started using the Close to My Heart, and I still have a lot of those stamps, and they are still just like new, so it hasn't dried them out or hurt them, in case anybody tells you otherwise. But I did really want to try this Ultra Clean, so it's only 2 ounces, and that was $5.99, so that's really expensive, because the Close to My Heart one I don't think is, don't quote me because I haven't looked at our catalog in a while, But, you know, I'm just going to go ahead and take this off and put this on. Because I always keep a bottle of cleaner at my desk. So we'll just set that there for now and I'll put it away later. So, yeah. I'm sniffing the lid. And honestly, it just kind of smells like Windex. So, there's that. I picked up 2 more. So, one each of the... I call these the interactive elements. So this one is called the spin and slide discs, and this one is just called slider elements. And so this is when you're using them with interactive die. So like if you have a die that like cuts like a, I call it kind of like a racetrack across your card, whatever element that you're setting in there, instead of stacking up, because what I used to do is I used to stack up like dimensional elements or little foam discs, but because there's adhesive they can stick. And these don't do that. So, MFT, I've been getting these for a while. And like I said, I'm getting ready. I want to do a whole bunch of interactive cards. So I'm picking up more. I think these are the last ones I'm going to buy for a while. I think I'm good now on my little stash of interactive slider bits. So I got those. And those were each $2.99 a piece. I don't believe I have this particular cloud stencil. This one's called Rolling Clouds. And this one was $6.99. I think the bulk of their stencils are $6.99. You might find a few that are like $5.99, but it's really thick, which I like. I like that, you know, most of the companies now laser etch the stencil name on it, which makes me happy. So I grabbed that one. So I think I'm good now in the cloud stencil department. So got that. And then again, the free was $60. I got another one of these. So I have plenty of these, so I think this is going to go out into some Happy Mail. It was free. Of course, the little thank you card from Team MFT. My invoice will stick over there. And then the last 2 things, like I said, kind of utilitarian. Because I was really impressed by the cardstock that came in that card kit. Because I'd never had any of MFT's cardstock. And y'all know how much I rave over Tonic's cardstock. I decided to get 2 packs. I got a pack of the Smooth White Heavyweight Cardstock. This is 110 pound, acid and lignin free, and there's 25 sheets. And it's an off-white. I would call it more of an ivory than a white. Because I mean, if you come eat, I mean, look at that. That is just the title page of the cardstock. And that's whiter. So I would call that ivory and not white. And then I didn't realize this was only 15 sheets. I really liked this gray. And again, this is only 100 pound. So this must be like their, I guess their card-based weight cardstock, I guess. But standard cardstock is usually around 80 pound. I moved everything, darn it. I just want some little tiny scissors. We're gonna check this out real quick. There were a whole bunch of colors, and I was like, you know what? Wait, I need to make sure that, you know, I just try out a couple first. And come on. It doesn't want to come out. Let me compare it to what came in the... Okay. I gotta tell you, this is lighter weight than the cardstock that came in the kit. So I'm glad I didn't go hog wild on all the colors. But I do really like this gray, so I might order some more of the gray, and I might try a few more colors. And I guess I'm just going to pay more attention to the weight. I was assuming all their cardstock was the same as this, but apparently not. Please don't bend. Anywho, I'm going to put this back in the kit. I'll put that over there. So that's it, y'all. I told you it wasn't a great big order. Picked up some cardstock, stencil, a couple of dies, and some interactive elements. So that is it. If you're interested, I'm going to put a referral link down in the description. And apparently with MFT, if you use my referral link, you get $10 off your first order with them. I believe of $10 or more. And remember, if you have an order of $60, you get to choose a freebie. And there's usually 3 to choose from. And this month, it's one of these. There's another one that's kind of like a, you know, like you see the airplanes flying across the sky pulling the signs. There's one of the sign pulley thingies. And then there's just like a little, you know, like you kind of see like the ribbon that kind of folds and there's a saying on it. Those are the 3 for this month. So, but the $60 is after discount and before shipping. So if you spend $70 and use the $10 discount and get $60, then you still get to choose one of these. And then, did I pay shipping? I got free shipping, so I can't remember at what, you know, let me go take a peek real quick and I'll tell you. Because at a certain, like, price, you get free shipping too. So, let's see. MyFavoriteThings.com. What? I don't think so. Oh, it's MFT stamps. There we go. Okay. Spend $50. All orders where you in the US that you spend $50, you get free shipping. So, you spend $50, you get free shipping. Spend another $10 and you get a free die. And yeah. So, that's it. I'm going to go comb out some furries before I head to bed. And with that, I hope you guys have a great night. Love you guys to pieces. As always, happy crafting. Bye-bye.